Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to get iPage hosting with the highest discount possible, with free domain privacy, and free domain protection. Now, to get this exclusive deal, you need to watch this video till the end, without skipping or missing any part of this step-by-step tutorial. To get this exclusive iPage deal, just go to the description of this video. And then click this link in the description. It'll take you to iPage, where we will unlock the exclusive deal, to get iPage at the highest discounted price. As you can see, you need to click the Get Started button on the screen. Now you need to type in the domain you would like to have over here. Then, click here. As you can see, the domain is available, and it has been added to the cart for free. But here you can see that Privacy Plus Protection is added at an additional price of around $10. Now, I'll show you how to get this add-on for free. Before that, select the plan that you would like to have. I am choosing a 1-year plan. Now, you may select a 2-year plan or 3-year plan according to your requirements. Now, click here on Continue to Add-ons. As you can see, Website Backup and Restore and Site Lock has been automatically added to the cart. Now, you need to deselect these two add-ons, as these are optional features. Then click here on Continue to Billing. Now, hover the mouse over here, near the Tab Close button. As you can see, a new pop-up screen will appear. Now, you need to click on the Claim Savings button over here, so that you get free domain privacy plus protection. Now you can check the total amount in the cart that you need to pay. Here you are getting iPage hosting and domain at the highest discount possible. You can now enter the billing information and payment information. Then you can click on the Buy Now button to confirm the order. So, that's it. This is how you get the highest discount on iPage when buying hosting and domain. Do like, share and subscribe to get more tutorials and discounts. Do comment if you have any queries regarding iPage or any other hosting companies. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the next video.